it's a beginning. It's setting the stage for us to start thinking about culture at NAC that is centered on this idea of sharing, on this idea of inclusivity, and on this idea of nurturing. And we do this through the act of interacting, right? And so forming relationships and actively engaging with each other through interactions.
So I'm just going to kick off a little. Too much ain't enough. We combine shrewd analysis, playful experimentation, social responsibility, and humor. So again, just like finding those connections that surprise us, like letting our process take us someplace that we didn't expect it to go. The idea of connecting research to design, connecting data to design, connecting thought leadership, it's something that we're doing and have the capacity to leverage even more. And the idea that the input of communities really could shape the way we design. The thing we have to do is encourage experimentation.
We are making ourselves visible.